Mr. Dotson was initially charged with public intoxication and resisting arrest, and both of those charges have now been dismissed. They've been dismissed outright with no court costs, no terms, without even a hearing. So they've all been dismissed. Mr. Dotson has maintained his innocence throughout this entire ordeal, and the result today simply exonerates him and confirms that there was no criminal wrongdoing. Of course, it's the District Attorney General's office to prosecute criminal charges and to punish wrongdoing, but it's also their job when there is no evidence of wrongdoing and when there's no evidence of a crime to be punished, then it's their job to dismiss those charges, and that's what they did today.
Is there going to be anything else beyond this for Mr. Dotson as far as any more court proceedings?
In terms of the criminal charges, this is it. He's finished as of today. Of course, he'll be considering what his options are in terms of any civil remedies. And we're certainly aware also that there is some investigation going on in terms of the wrongdoing by the police officers involved. And if there are any other proceedings, Mr. Dotson has indicated that he will cooperate fully with whatever decisions are made in that regard.
Have you communicated with the law department?
I have communicated with the law department, but only in the extent that to tell them that I'm going to be involved in the case, that I'll be representing Mr. Dotson, and that our first priority was to do what we did today, which is to get him out of trouble in the criminal cases, to make sure that those charges are resolved favorably, which they were today, and so that our first priority was to take care of the criminal charges, and that we would move on and talk about the civil case later.